Welcome back, everyone. We're doing another Yu-Gi-Oh break today. I actually quite enjoyed breaking this last time for my first time. So this is the second time I'm breaking Yu-Gi-Oh, and I've gone through most of the cards, and we did hit a couple of really nice cards, so that was not too bad. And the fun thing I think about these ones is that they're quite cheap. And there are still some really monster hits you can get in here. So the main ones that we're after are the Starlight Rares, and I think they're just sort of highlighted by the whole card being sort of a holo. Didn't get any in the last one that we opened. Let's hope we get some in this one. Well, at least one. I don't know what it is in the rarity or how hard it is to get, if it's in one in every X amount of box or packs or whatever. And I was going through and I was putting in all the cards into one of my folders. Alpha, the Master of Beasts. There's a Starlight Rare of this card that I found, because we hit this in the last one as well. And it's in like the top 10, probably the top 6, I think it was. I think it was just outside the top 5. I think just as a holo, but in the Starlight Rare, that one was worth a couple $100. So that isn't a Starlight Rare from my understanding, but it's still a nice card. So actually, put it on my. Here we go. We've got 2 now. So that's really cool. So yeah, the good thing about these is that it's relatively cheap to buy. And there's some monsters in here. But I was just filling out one of my card books with all these cards, and I didn't really cover much of the set, which was surprising because we went through so many cards. I got more doubles, more than anything, so that was a bit disappointing. I thought. And normally I'm just going for like the big hits, but now I'm actually really getting into it and wanting to do proper sets and stuff like that. So I've been trying to put them into albums and stuff like that. And I noticed for the first time, because now I'm doing it, that in one box I barely was able to like fill any of it. Okay, Mutant Beast, and that's got a huge star rating there. So I think that would be a really good card, because that'll be similar to that Alpha Beast, I think. Still really hoping to hit a Starlight Rare. And now I'm wanting to hit cards that I don't actually have yet to help me finish my set. And I was noticing that a lot of the cards were very similar. Raider's Wing. And it's pretty cool that you get a holo in every pack as well. We're just going to try and up the pace. I've opened this before. Virtual World Beast is a holo in this one. Yes, I've opened this before, and I had a really good look at the cards while I was packaging them up and stuff like that, so it was really cool. But now I'm sort of getting more of an idea of what I'm looking for, and we can probably get through it a bit quicker. Virtual World City, pretty sure I hit that in the last one as well. These are all very similar to the last box I opened, which is a bit of a shame because I was hoping to get more diversity this time. And I'm just trying to work out how these cards come about. Is it Conductor of Feast, I think that says. I thought maybe if the box I had so many of the same cards that maybe if you open up a different box, you'd have many of the other cards that you're missing, like the commons and stuff like that. But maybe that's not how it is. Like that card alone, I think in the last box I hit 6 or 7 times, as well as that one. Okay, what's this one? Virtual World Mayhem Lulu. That looks really cool. I'm sure that might be a big card. I don't remember seeing it in the top 10, but it should be up there, I think. And I'm wondering if the holos come in every card, or is it just the like the rares that are hollowed. So I'm not too sure about that either. Virtual World Gate. Don't know what that word is. Yeah. Very similar to the first box. Bit disappointing, these cards. They all seem to be the same. I don't know if there's case hits in these either. Prank Kids Meow Meow Moo. Okay. And from what I can see, I don't think there's any indication if it's a rare or not on the cards. And that's a good thing about the Dragon Ball, because they actually have, if it's a super rare or whatever, on the card. Warning Point. That actually looks really cool. Yeah, that's a really cool looking card. Dual Avatar Compact. Yeah, I had heaps of them. Tri-Brigade Keras. That looks really cool. I like that. That's awesome. Still keen to hit a Starlight. It doesn't even have to be a monster high-end most rare card or most valuable. Just want to see what one looks like, to be honest. So hoping to hit one soon. Mutant Mist. Okay, that card I hit heaps as well. Dogmatic Asian, I think that is. And that looks actually really cool as well. That's a really nice card. I reckon we're coming up to nearly halfway. I feel like we're doing this a lot quicker this time, which is good. I hit that one in the last one as well. How disappointing. It was like a secret rare card, but it wasn't worth much. And I use TCG Player to check values sometimes as well, but I don't think it tells you the difference between holos and reverse holos and stuff like that. So I'm not too sure how to value cards when they're specifically holos. or reverse hollows. I think I hit that one as well. Yeah, I hit that card as well. In a hollow. Dual Avatar Feet, and I'm pretty sure I hit that in the last one as well. Geez, getting really repetitive with these. What a shame. At least with the hollows, I was hoping to hit different hollows. Maybe there's only a limited amount of hollows as well. Raptor, and I'm pretty sure I hit that one as well. It's another double. So now when you can see you're guaranteed a hollow in every pack, you want to be hitting the right ones now, especially after already opening a box. Dual Avatar Feet. That's a cool looking card. Yeah, these are getting really repetitive. And it's only a 100 card set, so that's why it's getting really repetitive, but Virtual World Heim. Yeah, these cards are really repetitive. We're nearly there, nearly at the end. 4 more packs to go. Hopefully we can get one of these Starlights. And I'm curious, I'm sure it would be just be in the hollow spot. I don't think it would be an extra card. And Dual Avatar Fists. That looks really cool. Okay, I like that one. I'll quickly sleeve that. And 3 more to go. I think the strongest card must be that Zeus. And I wonder if those high-end cards are just not even bases, they're only hollows. Curious to see that. Raiders Knight. I'm pretty sure I got that one in the last one as well. That's a cool looking card though. Yeah, pretty sure I did. I don't think that's a Starlight. So I think it's supposed to be all the way around. But the stars, oh no, they're even hollow on those. I thought it looks just a bit different because it's black, and I thought, okay, maybe because those stars are hollow, but looks like they're on all of them. 2 more to go. And Dual Avatar Feet again. Hit that already. Damn. Put that to the side there because we've only got 1 pack left. Last pack, Magic. Let's get something big. And Mutant Synthesis. That's a new one. That looks really cool. Alright, that's it for that. Really surprised with so many doubles of the hollows. I've got to try and find out how many there are in the whole set, because it's only a 100 card set, and obviously the hollows must be limited to about 20 or 30 cards or something. So yeah, I've got a few more boxes of these to break, so stay tuned, like and subscribe. We'll maybe break 1 more before we go on to the Lightning Overdrive, I think is the other boxes I've got. So I might actually do one of those next to change it up a bit. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.